going? Nice to see you again. Or hi, if this is the first time you're seeing me. Hi. As you can see, I was just doing something right there. It's a backbend. And today I'm going to teach you how to do it too. And also, as a plus, I'm going to teach you how to come up from it too. So this is what it should look like when you're doing it and coming up from it while standing. Okay. The first thing you're going to want to do is stretch. And the places that you're going to be stretching are going to be your wrists, your shoulders, and your back. I think that's everything. Unless you want to warm up your neck as well, just in case you have to be raising or dropping your neck. But that's not really important. You just need to warm up your back and your wrists the most, and your shoulders too. Shoulders. I'm going to teach you how to stretch your back. Now, to be able to do a back bend, you need to already have a bridge, which is basically a back bend, but you're not starting from standing. So a back bend, well, a bridge should look something like this. This is how you can get into your bridge. I'm going to start like this. So you can place your arm down and then rotate like this. Right. And you're in a bridge. Or you can start lying down. I don't want to lie down because this place is dirty. You can lie down, put your arms over your head so it should look something like this, and then push up, and that's how you're going to get into it. So right now I'm going to start you guys up on the drills that I use personally to get my back bend from standing. I saw a bunch of other tutorials, but none of them really helped me get over the fear of going backwards. So my tip for you, because people just go into their back bend, so something like this, you just put their arms up and go backwards. But you might be scared of going backwards, or you're not sure how you're gonna land. So the number one tip is to grab a chair or some other higher surface. The next thing is to get over that fear, you can just look back before going into it. You can do this and then move backwards until you can see the object. Then you can place your arms down. That's going to take a lot more muscle control, so you need to strengthen your ab muscles and your back, your thoracic muscles anyway, and your abdominal muscles, because that's what's going to be helping you in this case. So if you're scared of going back, get a higher surface, like a chair or a well or a table or something, whatever you have, and then look at the object first before going back. So I'm going to demonstrate that right now. This chair closer so everyone can see. So we're going to basically look, I'm going to be looking at that little chair first. So you can just look back. Until you can see the object. I was seeing the chair, then you can look back and put your arms down, which I'm going to demonstrate right now. Like this, and then alright, you can do it like that. That's how I felt comfortable doing it. Going from down, I used to watch Sophie Dossie. She would just go and then she'd fall into the back, and I'm like, what is she doing? Although I can do that now, but before I could, things were rough. Things were really, really rough. Anyways, so that's the tip I have for you if you're scared of going backwards. Do it onto a higher surface first and look back before doing it, and then putting your arms down. But so that's the tip I have to help you guys with your fear of going backwards. Another tip I have for you people to help you guys with your going backwards or get used to going backwards is to use a wall. Personally, the wall didn't really help me. I didn't use the wall, I hated the wall, but it might be helpful for you because people are different. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the wall. So you basically put your arms up like you're going to go into a back bend, and then you place them on the wall leaning back like that, and then you walk your hands down the wall and touch the ground. and then you walk back up. This will get you used to the motions of going back into the back bend and then coming back up. And what makes it easier for some people, it didn't make it easier for me, but it can help make it easier for you. And yes. Anyways, now that we've kind of worked on, lighting. Okay. Now that we've kind of worked on getting into the back bend, I want to work on getting out of the back bend. This is where some people struggle. Most of the people I've met, if they're able to accomplish the back bend, they can't get up from it. And it's really not that hard, I promise. Now we're gonna go into a back bend. I'm gonna go like this. And then to get up, all you need to do is to rock forward and backward, forward and backward, forward and backward. Like when you rock your hips like forward, that gives you the momentum to get up, so that's what you need to do. Forward, backward, forward, okay? And then, whoosh. See? It's not that hard, I promise. Okay, on that note, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it helped you out with getting your back bend and helping you get up from it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And yes, I'll be coming up with more tutorials very soon. And don't forget to check out my previous tutorial and my other videos on my channel. The links are going to be in the description. And don't forget to follow me on my social media, my Instagram and my Twitter, which I'll put somewhere around like here. Okay, so see you in my next video or my previous video, I don't know. Bye!